fucking god, gee. Now, it was this bolt right here.
Down the hole a little bit.
Yep. Cool. So here's the new cylinder head. Now, so here's the OEM piece that has cracked. Here's a new replacement part, but it has this bottom part that I'm not too sure about. Now, alright, so I'm about to install the head bolts onto here, but so I just added some of that and this. So if this works. On a shelf bracket for the 95-97, doesn't seem like you need to cut down the bolts, just okay. In the upper intake, there's this hose right here. It's a little bit different than the from the 95-97. It's a little bit different, but you're gonna need to modify it a little bit. So I'm running that black hose right down to there, that white cap right here, and it's supposed to get funneled into here, but as you can see, it's a little bit too long, so I don't want any kinks. And really, you should get a new hose or modify the existing one with hot water, but I don't really have time for that, so I'm just gonna cut it a little bit short and hopefully there won't be no kinks. Somebody help me. I can't seem to get this to want to come off. I finally got it off. What I did was I used this flathead, long flathead, put it right on the underside of it, and then I hammered it from there, and it finally. This thing was the thing that was giving me such a hard time. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to plug.
But it might have to come. It might have to. Ah, too far. There we go. Woo.
Alright, I've rotated the crankshaft 2 times. This tension bolt is loose, and so is the spring pivot bolt. I pointed this indicator right here, pointing straight up to this, so hopefully that's correct. We don't have like an icon like there is in some of the other ones. And then this one, this is hanging on by a thread. It's nothing mounted down. And the vacuum hose, let's see, so this is from a 92. I noticed it sparking when it was touching this, so I think it does need to be mounted onto the intake manifold. I just zip tied it and called that good enough for now. I've connected this vacuum hose to thing right there. Strap, instead of down to the bottom of the lower intake, I grounded it to this with a nut. Hopefully that should be okay to there. All of these vacuum hoses are connected from like here to here. This big 3-piece one to the bottom one, and then a rubber condom on that. This one used to go to the EGR valve. I have stuck a bolt in there because we removed the EGR with this block off plate. All right, let's go ahead. I'll have my wife crank it right now. I want to say thank you to Jaden for helping me and bringing back my 1992 Ford Ranger. Thank you so much. It took only 4 months, and now the car is running. And I want to say thank you. I love you. Alright, my 1992 Ford Ranger with a 95 to 97 upper intake, lower intake manifold, and with the EGR delete as you can see right there. I used a 3/4 inch MPT pipe cap. If you really want to do it correctly, you're going to want to grab the alternator bracket and the coils that fit onto there for it, because right now my this thing is just hanging where it should have been mounted, right down here. I grabbed the 95. You should, if you want to do it right as well, you also want to grab the 95-97 throttle cable, because it's a little bit shorter or something. It's different length. So for now, I just kept one bolt in and then I angled it like this so that it can get enough pull.